A few people have asked me to talk about the relationship between roof colour and insulation in the new energy code, so let's have a look. Under the previous code, we required about R5 ceiling insulation and slightly less if it was a light roof colour. Under the new code, we require R5, and this is for a light colour roof. And if we head over here, this is climate zone 7, which is Ballarat. For a dark colour roof, we can use R3.5. It's important to note here too, this is also dependent on if you have reflective insulation under the roof. So if you don't have reflective insulation, you can use less insulation. Let that sink in. If you don't have insulation under the roof cladding, you need less insulation at the ceiling. So there you go, that's what we're doing now. Rewarding dark colours and rewarding less insulation.